Rajasthan Royals. Kiran Pola from Mumbai Indians. Suresh Raina from Chennai Super Kings. A.B. de Villiers from Delhi Daredevils.
Okay, the Sahara IPL Award for Best Fielder 2010 goes to Suresh Raina.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to thanks to Robin Singh. He was my coach when I went to England for the under-19 tour. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to call upon our next performer for tonight. His legendary status is unquestionable. His celluloid brilliance is unmatchable. Truly a film star, a mega star, a global icon, and an entrepreneur, and has the distinction of having thrown Shilpa Shetty off a building terrace. None other than, let's say it together, Shilpa, 1, 2, and 3, Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much, everyone. Good evening. I hope you guys are having fun. It's really nice to be here. And it's also wonderful to see you all suited and booted. Otherwise, you look really stinky and black when I see you on the fields. Congratulations to all the teams that have played for the IPL. And let me also add that it's been a great honor to be a part of IPL as one of the original initial 8 franchise owners. And I thank our friend Lalit Modi. Where is he? Everybody, let's hear it for Lalit Modi once. Thank you, dude, for giving us this opportunity. And Lalit has been getting some calls from NGOs and all the societies कि जो rules IPL के हैं, the rules that are there in IPL, they should be included in some of the marriage acts of our country. Marriages should have a contract only for 3 years. Yeah, and after that, the husband and wife should go back into the auction. And everybody bids for your wife. 1 million, 1 million. Of course, yeah. And of course, the second thing they've been wanting is that there should be a strategic timeout 6 months into a marriage, so we can all go out, meet other people, take advice, give them a hug, understand what to do later. But there's a stipulation by Lalit Modi. Only 4 foreigners allowed. No more. You can mess around with 4 foreigners, but no more. There is going to be a reward for a high score count in a marriage, and then they are going to be penalized for low performance rate. But jokes apart, let me be honest, everything has gotten bigger in IPL from the first year. The initial 8 owners, of course, let me take this opportunity to welcome the Sahara group for coming into Pune and the Kochi group coming into Cochin. Yeah, let's hear it for both of them. Wonderful. And but the initial 8 owners, we've seen lots of ups and downs, and we've have been watching कि IPL जो है बड़ा ही होता जा रहा है, audience बढ़ रही है, लोग बढ़ रहे हैं, TRPs बढ़ रही हैं, चारों तरफ scores बढ़ रहे हैं, हर तरफ पे hype बढ़ रही है. The only thing which got smaller this year was the bat. Actually, we got the mongoose bat, which was quite funny. I mean, not that Matthew Hayden looks funny with it; he looks really cool in anything, and he can hit the ball with anything. But the mongoose bat has not performed so well. If left to the Indian mentality of being a little superstitious of everything, we would have started calling it the manhoos bat. But there's a new stipulation. But the cricketing reason is not there. The T20 should be reduced to T10. The only reason is because when there is 1.5 hours of one team bowling and one team batting, Navjot Singh Sidhu does not get enough time to speak. And we are always dying to hear Navjot Singh Sidhu. जैसे 2 और 2 के बिना 4 नहीं, आम के बिना अचार नहीं, इमोशन के बिना अत्याचार नहीं, वैसे क्रिकेट में नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के बिना कोई अच्छे विचार नहीं. This is my Shahrukhism, and I don't know, Sidhu's not here, but we really enjoy his talk. But one of my other favorite Sikhs and Sardar is here. One of the greatest players of our times. One of my favorite guys. I'd like to call him on stage and make him have a little chat with me. Everybody put your hands together for the one and only Harbhajan Singh. Come on, Bhaji. Quickly come here. Right arm over the wicket. Good to have you here. I noticed Neeta ने तुमको सूट नहीं दिलाया है. नीता भाभी सूट तो दिला देते तो अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. हाँ?
ये मेरा सूट आपने ही पहना हुआ है.
बोल ले बेटा बोल ले. हम लोग फाइनल्स में नहीं पहुंचे ना. तेरा जो बोलना है तू बोल ले. हमारा वक्त भी आएगा. अच्छा मुझको बता सचमुच सीरियसली.
वो भी वक्त ही बताएगा. 2 टीमें और बढ़ गई हैं.
I was calculating. Harbhajan is completely right. I was discussing with Dada, who we lovingly call Dadi. We have these sexual problems in our team. But Dada से मैंने उस दिन बोला कि दादा पिछले साल हम 8 आए, फिर 7 आए, अब 6 आए, 2 टीम बढ़ गई हैं. जब तक 7 साल बीतेंगे शायद हम फर्स्ट आ जाएंगे. बुढ़े हो जाएंगे जब हम फाइनल्स में आएंगे, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. बट हम कोशिश जरूर करते रहेंगे. तुम इधर आओ मेरे पास. मैं तुम्हारा कैप्टन यहाँ पर है. सचिन है यहाँ पे.
नहीं सचिन नहीं है.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Sachin, one of the greatest players in the world ever. Okay. भजी मैंने सुना है कि जो गॉड जी हैं, भगवान जी हैं, गॉड जी, वो आजकल थोड़े से कंफ्यूज हैं. He's been very confused. God has been a little confused because a lot of his friends and people praying to him have started calling him Sachin. So, what do you have to say about Sachin playing under him, playing with him in India, playing under him in Mumbai Indians?
खैर सचिन के लिए जितना भी हो कम है, बिकॉज उन्होंने जो कंट्री के लिए किया है शायद ही किसी स्पोर्ट्समैन ने अपने उस फील्ड में किया हो. और आई थिंक जितने बड़े वो स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं उतने ही बढ़िया इंसान है. आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी प्लेइंग अंडर हिम एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम व्हाट एवर ही हैव अचीव्ड. ही इज अ ग्रेट पर्सन.
थैंक यू सो मच. और तुम अपनी बात बताओ. यू आर टॉल, यू आर हैंडसम, यू आर यंग, सक्सेसफुल एंड वो क्या बोलते हैं, स्लेजिंग भी अच्छी करते हो. हाँ
कभी कभार.
नहीं नहीं मैं देखा तुम्हें, तुम ऐसा मुझे, मैं एक्टर हूं, मैं सब समझता हूँ. स्लेजिंग भी अच्छी करते हो. एक बार बताओ कि दिस अ चीप जोक बट आई लाइक टू डू इट विद यू, कि तुम्हारा घर कब बसरा है. बसरा है, बसरा. पंजाबी में गल कर रहे हैं तो मालूम होगा तेन. तुम्हारा घर कब बसेगा. Basra for all our foreign friends means when are you going to settle down. Basra also means something else for Harbhajan.
जब टाइम आएगा वो ही बस जाएगा.
देखो झूठ मत बोलो, तुम गीता की कसम खा के बोलो. शर्मा सा गया तू एकदम ने. लाल जिया हो गया मेरा हरभजन. सच सच बता दे मेरे को कि क्या है इसमें, माजरा क्या है. मैं तेरे लिए गाना गाता हूँ. भजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जा. But you know, when I've been seeing him when he was very young. He still is very young and one of the greatest spinners of all times. Very, very proud of him. Ladies and gentlemen, my favorite playboy. He's, yeah.
No, he's there somewhere.
किसकी बात कर रहा तू.
वो उस तरफ देख रहा है.
उसको भी पकड़ के लेकर आऊंगा बाद में यहाँ पर. But you know, Harbhajan, you know, he's been very kind. I've known him for years. He's danced with me. Tonight he told me मैं ज्यादा डांस नहीं करूंगा, मैं लड़कियों के साथ डांस नहीं करता हूं मैं. तो मैं क्या लड़कियों के साथ नहीं करता, मेरे साथ कर ले. हैं तो थोड़ा जा भांगड़ा, because there are so many Sikhs. We are so proud of the whole north of India, the whole of Punjab, and I love everyone who's Punjabi, and all of us do. So we're going to do a little dance with him. We've not prepared for this. It is something he also didn't know I'm going to do. So we'll do a little Love Mera. Hit it, Sonia.
I don't know. बंगड़ा वैसे भी लंगड़ा होता है तो जैसे मर्जी कर लो.
ठीक है. For Harbhajan and me and for the whole of IPL and for this great experience. Ladies, put your hands together for Harbhajan Singh. He's going to do a bhangra with me. Come on. इसको सिखा थोड़ा सा